Hey guys, in this video we're talking about the big bonus that you get from Amazon that it seems like no one ever talks about and is generally overlooked. Day in, day out, you may not really notice it, but when fourth quarter comes around, believe me, it can be a money maker, and it's just a bonus. And what we're talking about here, the add to cart feature on Amazon. And what that means is if someone comes to Amazon via one of your external links, if you have brought a customer into the Amazon marketplace and they come to Amazon in theory to look at a product that you have on Amazon, but they don't buy that product. However, they do go on and they buy another product. Maybe it's a similar product or maybe it's not. Or maybe they're shopping. This is why fourth quarter is such a big deal. Maybe they're doing their Christmas shopping and they have come to Amazon from your external link and they put 4 or 5 or a dozen things in their shopping cart. You've got a minimum of 30 days, and in some cases Amazon will do things where it can be as long as 90 days before those people have to actually purchase that item. But when they do purchase that item within the time frame specified, you get a commission from that item. That item, even though it has nothing to do with you, it wasn't the item that you were trying to sell them, you get an affiliate commission, which will run anywhere from typically 4% up to 10%, depending on what item it is and what category it's in. Well, during fourth quarter, when people are in a buying frenzy, if you're running ads, the amount of money you can make from this is substantial. As I make this in early 2018, I have not gone through all the data to see what I made off of this in fourth quarter, but my guess is that it's something in excess of $10,000 that I got for doing absolutely nothing that I wouldn't have been doing anyway. People saw my ads, they came to Amazon, and while they were there, maybe they bought my product, maybe they didn't, but they bought other products. Just looking at the list very casually, I saw commissions that I was paid for things I had nothing to do with. Big screen TVs. I don't sell TVs, but I am more than happy to take a 10% commission for helping Amazon sell a television. Makes me very happy and very easy money for me. I saw commissions that I received for selling artificial Christmas trees. I don't sell artificial Christmas trees. Once again though, I was very happy to take a commission for helping someone else sell an artificial Christmas tree. So there's probably really a business model here for someone who wants to just look at the possibility of introducing people to the Amazon marketplace in hopes that they will buy something and that you'll receive a commission from it. I'm sure that there's probably someone out there who's exploiting this bonus feature from Amazon. I'm not looking to create a business model around this, but I wanted to make you all aware of it. And this is one reason why it's so important for you to be active on Amazon, certainly during fourth quarter, but really throughout the year. Be consistently active. Run your ads, both pay-per-click on Amazon and also your ads, external ads, whether you're doing Facebook or Instagram or Google or Bing. There's a great benefit from having these ads run externally and then directing people to Amazon. Amazon will reward you for your efforts. So this was just a video discussing just this bonus that most people don't even realize. I know I've had some students ask about additional money they saw in their accounts after the first of the year, and they really didn't know where it came from, and they didn't do their research. They didn't look it up. But this is where it came from. So it's just some extra money in your pocket that you get for doing virtually nothing, and it's just a nice little bonus. So if you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button.